Hi everyone! Today we're going to make my chicken soup, which is easy, quick to make, and delicious. I like to start with 4 chicken thighs that need to be trimmed. These are boneless chicken thighs. While this is preheating, I'm going to put some olive oil, just a couple tablespoons. The reason I like to use chicken thighs is that because they have a much better flavor and they're meatier than chicken breasts. Shh! Don't tell my wife. I'm going to give you her Hungarian spice mix recipe. I'll start with 2 spoons. We want to brown all the edges and sear it to the point where we can put the vegetables later. Now I'm going to prepare my vegetables. I'm going to chop the onions, carrots, parsnip, celery, and cabbage. I like to cut my vegetables coarsely for a more rustic style soup. This is parsnip. Gives a lot of flavor to soup. It tastes better cooked. My favorite vegetable, cabbage. Already smells pretty good. You want to sear your vegetables with your chicken and then add chicken broth. After the soup comes to a boil, cook it for about 20 minutes. By then, the vegetables should be tender. And after that, you will add 1/4 cup of pasta and cook for another 10 minutes. Let's see if our soup needs any more spices. Maybe a little bit of salt. Carrots are soft. Chicken is cooked, and at this time I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of pasta. You can use any pasta you like, just don't put too much. I like to cook it for about 10 more minutes, and after that it will be ready to eat. And with our soup, we're gonna eat some homemade bread by Susan. Today we're featuring Łomża, beer from Poland. One of the best beers I have tasted lately. I will pour this into my family mug. A little bit of parsley. No sour cream. Tastes really good. Cheers. Na zdrowie. Mellow, a lot of flavor. Tastes good. It's lunchtime. Let's eat. Oh, let's not forget the camera woman. lady.
Thank you.